everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Bala. Happy Onam all of you. So let's get started with the video. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a curd rice with the training nuts. In Telugu we call daddojanam. So these are the ingredients we have necessary to prepare daddojanam recipe. So first of all, take rice, 1 cup of rice, 2 glasses of water, curd, 1 cup of curd, salt, training nuts and ground nuts also, and ing, green mirchi, curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger, last and final pepper powder or pepper nuts. So now preparation start. So first of all, take a cooker. Now pour into rice. Now add water and clean it, the rice. Okay, now add 2 glasses of water on that and take a cooker closer and close it well. Now cooker put on the stove and flame on. Okay, now take a vessel, put on that cooker. Now the rice boil, wait for 3 whistles. Now cooking rice completed. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it will cools. Now open the cooker closer like so. Don't open cooker closer immediately when comes the whistle. Now take an empty bowl and take the rice like so. How much you want to prepare the daddojanam, take that quantity of rice. Now make it the cool of rice. Now take a side of rice until it cools like so. Now take a pan, another pan like so, and pour oil 5 to 6 spoons. Now heated the oil. Now add training nuts on that. First I take this red mirchi. Now roast it well. And now add a training nuts also. Again roast it well. Now flame off the stove and add green mirchi, curry leaves, coriander leaves, ginger pieces like so, and roast it well. Now add 2 spoons of pepper powder on that. Now add very important thing, that is salt. Okay, add 2 spoons of salt on that. I am adding 3 spoons. This is small one, so I added more. So now mix all ingredients well like so. Now again on the flame and roast it well for 2 minutes. Okay, after roasting the grinding nuts, add to the rice. So now mix all well, right? Okay, now lastly added curd on that and mix it well. So now that the daddojanam recipe is ready to eat. So if you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye. Happy Onam all of you.